So guys, how to create table in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. To create table we need to use the table tag less than table greater than. Now close it with less than slash table. Give it some space. Let's add a caption for our table. For that, less than caption greater than. Same less than slash caption. Suppose our caption sample table. Sample table. Now how many rows we want to have inside our table? Suppose 4. For that, less than tr for table row greater than. Press on enter, less than slash tr. Copy, paste. Now the column. For column, the upper row will have the column with the heading. For that, less than th for table header, less than slash th. Suppose we want 3 column. For that, copy 2, 3. Now add the text. Let's see what we have so far. Save, reload. We have the caption and 3 column, item 1, 2 and 3. Now to add normal cells for the table, we need to add less than td. Same less than slash td. 3 times. 2, 3. The text. Let's copy it. Use the same cells for other 2 row. Save the document and reload. So we have our basic table. Now to add a style like popper, border and background, go inside the style. At first, let's add a style for table header and table data. Opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. To add border, write border, clone. The thickness of border, suppose 1 pixel. Then we want a solid border. Then the color of the border, suppose gray. Semicolon. For extra space, padding, clone, suppose 8 pixel, semicolon. Save, reload. See, now we have our border, but there is a problem here. We have some gaps between the borders. To fix it, we need to add some style to our table. For that, call for table, opening brace, closing brace, border, dash, collapse, clone, collapse, semicolon. Save and reload. See, now the gap is gone. To add background color for our heading cells, call for the table header, opening brace, closing brace, inside, background, dash, color, clone, suppose yellow, semicolon. Save the document and reload. To change the table width, go inside the table and write width. Then we can manually put the pixel like 400 pixel or automatic like 100%, semicolon, and we are done. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.